Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a massive time saver. If you've ever tried to manually align passport photos onto a 4x6 print, you know how tedious it can be. In this video, I'm about to share a custom Photoshop action that does all the heavy lifting for you. In just a couple of clicks, it'll convert your photo into a passport size and fits that into 8 passport-sized images on a standard 4x6 sheet. The only thing you need is only print this and speed up your workflow. Let's jump in right now and learn this magic trick. So now, first things first, you will need to grab the action file. I've put a link in the description that takes you right to the download page on dtptips.com. It'll be in a zip file, so just download it and extract it somewhere handy on your computer. Like in my case, I have already downloaded it and saved it on my PC in the temp folder from where I will load it, but you can choose yours. Now, let's head into Photoshop if you have it already opened. If not, open it first. In Photoshop, if you don't see your Actions panel on the right side, no worries. Just go up to the Window menu and click on Actions. It'll pop right up. To load our new tool, click that little menu icon in the corner of the Actions panel and select Load Actions. Find the file you just downloaded, hit Load, and you're all set. You'll see a folder there with a bunch of different layouts like A4 sheets or 5x7s, but today we're focusing on 8pp on 4x6 inch sheet. All right, let's open up the photo you want to use. For the best results, make sure your subject is facing forward with clear lighting. A clean, plain background is always best for official passport rules, so keep that in mind before you start. Now for the magic part. In your Actions panel, find the one labeled 8 passport photo on 4x6 inch sheet and just hit that play button at the bottom. Photoshop is going to pause and ask you to crop the image. Just drag the selection box around the face. You can expand it or shrink it until the framing looks perfect. Once you're happy with how it looks, just hit Enter on your keyboard. And that's it. Watch as Photoshop automatically resizes, duplicates, and aligns everything. No manual measuring, no guessing, and no overlapping. You now have a perfectly spaced 4x6 sheet ready to go. It's literally that fast. Give it a quick zoom in just to make sure everything looks sharp. From here, you can save it as a JPEG or a PSD. Since it's a standard 4x6 size, you can print this on your home photo printer or send it to any standard photo lab for a professional finish. I hope this tool makes your life a little easier. If you found this helpful, definitely check out the other guides on dtptips.com. We've got more Photoshop automations, CorelDRAW macros, and even an ID card maker that you might find really useful. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more workflow tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.